How to fix login error on the Uber app. If you're facing issues while trying to log into the Uber application, the first thing you can try to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If you're using the Uber app on Android, long press the Uber application, tap on this I button that will take you to the app info page, which will be found on any Android device. Then from here you can go to storage. You can clear the cache files and also try to clear the data. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for the Uber app. Check if it has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in, chances are that you could be typing an incorrect credentials, so you want to make sure that your phone number or email associated with your Uber account is correct, or you could have just continued with your social ID like your Google account and just select your Google account to log in from one of the accounts available. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.